Well, hello Hackman, Chuck McCoy here, back with another unlisted video. So let's see how much this camera uses when it's powered off from the parking mode state. So right now I've got it running in normal recording mode, driving mode, hooked up to a power supply, and then I've got my Fluke 115 in between the power line because it's more accurate than the amp meter on my power supply. So let's right now I'm going to turn it off, turn off the ignition, and that's going to put it in parking mode.
Parking recording started. Recording 2 channels started.
Okay, now that it's in parking mode, I'm going to power the camera down by long pressing the power button. Okay, it's powering down, and it looks like the power draw is 13 milliamps, and I did this a minute ago and it dropped to 10. Let's see if it'll, but it took about 5 minutes to drop to 10. So right now it's at 12. I'll give it another 30 seconds or a minute. Okay, see, it just dropped to 11. And then maybe in about 5 minutes it would drop to 10. I don't want to make this video that long. Okay, so now that means that the camera and the hardwire kit uses 11 milliamps after you power it down from parking mode. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the HK4 cable from the camera, and then keep your eye on the meter here. Okay, so now it's dropped to 6 milliamp. Oh, 5 milliamp. Oh wait, no, now it went back up to 6. I had it on the min-max setting. So what that means is the camera and the hardwire kit was 11 milliamp or 10, I forget. And then now that I've disconnected, just the hardwire kit is 6 milliamp. Now what happens when I disconnect? I'm going to disconnect the ground wire of the hardwire kit, and then this should go to 0 or 1 depending on whatever. So now I'm going to disconnect this ground wire here. See if I can get it in frame. Okay, so now I've disconnected the hardwire kit and my meter has dropped to 1 milliamp. Okay, that's it. We'll see you next time.